El Mago? So it was a Mago who turned me into a bird. Oh, he is so going back to jail. Yeah, if we could find him. For even one day. How do we find him? He could be anywhere. Plus, Princess Dark Matter gave him back his wand and helped him escape. That's it! What's it? Hey, that's my claw, you jerk! Sorry. I'm just borrowing it. Great. Now Tails had to fix my claw again. Thanks a lot, you stupid bird! I'm not a bird! Guys, enough! STX Subaru, we'll bring your claw to you when we get back. I hope so. He'll bring it back faster than you can say.
Booyah, Kasha.
Who's gonna work in the junkyard? Diesel 10 will take your shift for today. Well, it's his turn anyway.